Good morning to all. This is for class 7th GK. Class 7th today we are going to start our chapter number 19, Pioneers in Science. In this chapter we will study about some great scientists. So first one is Thomas Alva Edison. He was a famous American scientist. He invented more than 1000 things. Some of his well-known inventions are phonograph, incandescent bulb, and cinematograph, etc. So Thomas Alva Edison was a great scientist and he was from America and he invented more than 1000 things. Among them are some of them are phonograph, bulb and cinematograph. Second one is Rudolf Diesel. He was a German engineer. He was the inventor of the internal combustion engine. So, Rudolf Diesel was from Germany and he was a great engineer and he invented the internal combustion engine. Third one is Lumiere brothers. They were the inventor of the first practical film projector. In 1904, they marketed colored plates which were able to produce a color transparency. So Lumiere brothers had invented the first film projector. In 1904, they made a color plate which able to produce a color transparency. Now fourth one is C.V. Raman, an outstanding Indian physician. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. His discovery is known as Raman effect. It deals with the change in the frequency of light passing through a transparent medium. So C.V. Raman, he was from India and he was a great physicist. In 1930, he got the Nobel Prize in Physics and also his discovery was known as Raman effect. Alexander Fleming, he discovered penicillin in 1928. During the World War II, this antibiotic drug was first used on wounded soldiers. So, Alexander Fleming, he discovered penicillin in 1928, which is used in Second World War on the wounded soldiers. Now, John Wesley Hyatt, he was an American inventor who made the first plastic in 1868. At that time, it was called celluloid. So John Wesley was from America and he invented the first plastic and he invented it in 1868. That it was also called the celluloid. Now, Harry Brearley, he invented stainless steel. He mixed steel and chromium to make an alloy that was rustless. He used this alloy in making stainless steel. So Harry invented stainless steel. How he made? He mixed steel with chromium to make an alloy and that was rustless, without rust. And that alloy he used in making stainless steel. Now next one, William Shockley. William Shockley and his team invented transistor in 1947. The invention of transistor later led to the development of microchip and compact electronic machine. So William Shockley and his team invented transistor in which year? In 1947. And the invention of transistor later on led to the development of microchip. So this was the chapter. Your chapter number 19 is completed. In next class, I will explain you chapter number 20. Till then, thank you.